Disturbing news coming in. We are hearing of bomb threat that have been sent to multiple schools in Delhi and NCR. Multiple Delhi schools have received a bomb threat, and that has led to an emergency situation in and around the schools. Many of the students have been asked to leave. Bomb squads and the local police have reached these specific schools as well. There are emails that have been sent to multiple schools. Now, cops suspect that all mails have come from one source. And clearly this has become a concern as much for the teachers, the staff and the parents of the wards. We are told that all the bomb threats received in multiple Delhi schools and of NCR early morning are through an email. Now, the IP address of the email suggests it's from outside the country. Delhi police is saying that possibly they suspect that this could be masked through a VPN. Investigation is on. What exactly has happened? As per sources, multiple emails have been sent. We can confirm to you that at least 3 to 4 schools, India Today has confirmed, have received these emails. Delhi police is suspecting all these email sources originate from one. And remember, this is not the first time. This has happened earlier as well, that these threats have been received by multiple schools of Delhi NCR. So students have received emergency messages as well, and the parents who have been asked to ensure that the students return. I want to immediately bring in India Today Shreya Chatterjee, who has confirmed these details to us. Shreya, good morning. Go ahead. And I can understand this must be a concern for a lot of parents as well. What are you hearing in this case about what exactly has happened? Can you mention the schools as well? And I can tell you that because my child also goes to one of the schools in NCR, this has been a big concern among the parents right now.
Well, Pooja, this is, something that we've been reporting since morning, one by one, multiple schools. That includes the Sanskriti school, one in Mayur Vihar, one in Dwarka. We are reporting one in South. So what we've confirmed from Delhi police is that this is one email that is probably sent to all these schools. The address so far suggests that it's from outside, but the Delhi police is suspecting that a VPN in all likelihood was used to mask. They're investigating, but multiple schools have got a same email during the time of 6 a.m. today, and Delhi police is investigating. This is obviously a matter of serious concern where, in all likelihood, it's a developing story, and we'll get a more update that where and which reason these mails actually originated.
So, situation stand as of now? Have the students in all of these schools, have they been asked to leave? Have the bomb squads reached in these schools? Anything that you're picking up? And I found very interesting when you said that the IP address, according to the Delhi police, appears to be of outside the country.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. But obviously we do know that in today's time with technology and use, people obviously use multiple services to mark their IP addresses. So Delhi police is not negating the possibility of this mischief, if at all, when all the schools are checked and there is no such incident at all could have happened from the country itself. But they're saying that so far it is suggesting that it's from outside the country. They're investigating if any VPN was used to mask their IP address, which would show that it is from outside the country. But what we are right now looking at, that Delhi police has also vacated the entire schools from where these mails have originated so far.
If I can ask you here that this is not the first time, isn't it? There have been few months earlier also we have received similar updates, similar news, these emails that are sent. How are the cops looking at it? Are they being seen as possibly a terrible, horrible prank that someone is trying to play? Or is this, of course, being investigated with all seriousness as the terror issue that it appears to be?
Well, Pooja, you can understand that the seriousness of the matter is huge because this concerns with the students and also the schools. Talking about early morning, understand that there are a lot of rush that is there usually at this point of hour. So given that the Delhi police is not keeping any stone unturned, there are ambulances and fire security vehicles that are on standby while the drill is on its way to ensure that every checks are performed in the schools concerned whether the mails have originated. Once they secure these areas, know that nothing has actually happened, will they further investigate the cyber security angle from where the mail originates? But as of now, we're already reporting multiple schools, more than 4 schools already confirmed by India Today where the mails have been received around 6 a.m. in the morning. All these mail originates from one mail is what Delhi police is suspecting, for the main reason that this is marked as a blank carbon copy. So one email possibly has gone and circulated to multiple schools, which has caused this entire concern early morning today.
So as we stay on with this big story, Shreya, because this happened early this morning, and we can confirm that at least 3 to 4 schools have confirmed received it, and we'll try and bring you more names. We're not putting out any conjectures, only those schools that are confirmed via the police, via sources on the ground. We are telling you that these threat emails, and it appears one email, a same email has been sent, which clearly is about a threat to the students. This has happened earlier as well, and is being seen with all seriousness. Schools are being vacated. This is Delhi and in NCR also that this received has been. In fact, you can understand the concern of the parents on the ground. Let's dip into the reactions coming in. Parents who have received emergency messages to take their children back. That also is happening on the ground. We are trying to get you as many reactions as possible, but we can confirm to you. Let's listen into some. So Shreya, it looks like that it's not just Delhi schools, and as Shreya continues to get more information, we are told Delhi police is taking this in all seriousness. Similar emails, remember, have been sent to multiple schools earlier as well, but now we are told Delhi suspects that these are email sources originating from one, possibly outside the country, used via a VPN. Parents have received emergency messages. Delhi and NCR schools, DPS, Sanskriti, and one in Mayur Vihar also has received this email threat.